Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. I taught you first part of the lesson, curry, bringing up curry lesson. Have you remembered that children? Have you seen that video? Okay. See children, in the first part, we observed that I told you clearly that curry was a baby elephant. Okay, curry and Other were good friends. Other was 9 years old. So both were good friends. I told you clearly. One day, what happened? While curry was taken to the bath, what happened children? One boy was drowning in the river. So curry wants to save that boy, but how? So that's why curry pushed our other into the water. Then after that, you can see the picture children. So curry pushed that boy into the water. So that boy brought that our other brought that small boy out. But what happened? Both were drowning in the water. At that time, our curry came very fastly and he gave his trunk, and with the trunk he saved both of our other and also that small boy. Okay children, up to here our first part completed, our first video completed. Okay, now let us see the remaining part of this lesson children. So let us see the remaining part. Okay, I told you clearly, bringing up curry. This was written by Dan Gopal Mukherjee. Okay, curry was like a baby. Do you know how the babies are taken care? In the same way curry was also like. So curry was like a baby. He had to be trying to be good, otherwise he was naughty. I told you clearly in the first video, curry was very naughty, playful. So curry was playful. So he had to be trying to be good, otherwise he was naughty. He was always naughty. That's why every time our author must give training to be good. In our houses also, see, we are small. While you are small, what our parents also wants to train us to be good, otherwise we will be naughty, no? That's why. So in the same way, curry had to be trying to be good, otherwise every time naughty only. It does naughty things. So one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. You know bananas. So one day somebody gave some bananas to eat. Whom? To curry. Okay, somebody gave some bananas to curry. So what happened? Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. Okay, after that curry ate those bananas. Now curry liked them very much. So now very soon he developed a great love. Okay, now he liked ripe bananas. Always he wants to eat ripe bananas. Do you understand these children? So now someone gave these ripe bananas to our curry. So from that day onwards started loving bananas, ripe bananas. Our curry wants to eat these bananas. Okay children. So now what happened? See, someone gives chocolate, means we are fond of chocolates and we want to eat chocolates. In the same way, our curry also like a baby only, I told you. So curry also started eating, wants to eat every time bananas. So others family, see actually the others family used to keep large plates of fruit on a table. See, what is their habit? Say always they wants to keep large plates, okay, bowl full of fruits on a table children, near a window in the dining room. In the dining room they always keep one bowl with full of fruits. Okay, everything, grapes, bananas, apples, everything they'll keep in a bowl, and they keep everything in a bowl near the window in the dining room. Okay, every time they used to keep. So they used to do like this every time. One day all the bananas on the table disappeared. One day what happened, do you know children? All the bananas on the table disappeared. Okay, now they were not seen, they were not there. And the others family blamed the servants for eating all the fruits in the house. Then the others family, that means others father and mother, they started blaming servants. Okay, they thought that servants are eating all these bananas, and they started blaming them. They scolded them. Okay, I think you are the servants. Without cleaning and without doing your duty, you are eating bananas. They started scolding. So they started blaming them. So what happened? Okay, so many days over. Few days later, the fruits disappeared again. So one day, the bananas disappeared. Okay, after a few days, again the bananas disappeared. This time, mother started blaming our author. Mother thought that this boy, 9-year boy, this author only ate all those bananas. So mother started blaming our author also. Do you know the children? Actually, the author's family used to keep all these bowl full of fruits on a table near in the dining room, okay, near a window. So one day what happened, all the bananas disappeared. Okay, mother thought that only our servants did all this, servants only ate all these bananas, and they started blaming and scolding them. Okay, few days over, again the bananas disappeared. This time mother thought that no, servants were not there, so definitely these bananas were eaten by this boy, okay, their child. They started blaming our other also. Okay, think children, who ate these bananas? Are you thinking our other or the servants? Then who ate? Okay, let us see. Okay, then the other found a banana all smashed up in Curry's pavilion. I showed you Curry's pavilion, no children. Curry's, okay, it's under a thatched roof, one small building. Okay, Curry was living there, no. One day, the author found a banana on that place. Okay, on that open place, open roof building, there was a banana. Then our author started thinking, why banana was in this place, in Curry's place, why? Then he started thinking. Then do you know children, who is stealing every time? Who is taking all those bananas? Who is eating all those bananas? Yes, our Curry only. Every time Curry began to steal all the bananas. Curry is coming there and Curry is taking all the bananas out. How? Do you know? Large plates of fruits were kept on a table in the dining room, I told you already. Curry would put his trunk through the window to the bananas. Yes, Curry is not entering to the house. Curry is not entering the dining room. Curry is, I told you clearly, no children, mother is keeping everything on a bowl. It's near the window in your dining room. So Curry is keeping its trunk near the window and it is taking, you can observe in the picture how he is taking. So Curry is taking. Yes, see how first the boy thought that it was a snake. Yes, snake is coming and taking all those. Then later that boy observed. Okay, he followed. He followed means he understood that it was nothing but Curry's trunk. First he thought that it is not the Curry's trunk, it is snake. Okay, but later he understood that it was not the snake, it was Curry's trunk. Okay, so Curry would put his trunk through the window to the bananas. Okay, because Curry liked ripe bananas very much, no, that's why Curry put his trunk through the window to the bananas. Okay, in one attempt, see, you can see, in one attempt he would take them all. He would take all the bananas in one attempt with the trunk. Through the trunk, it is taking all the bananas and it's going. He would then quietly go to his pavilion. It's going to the ground, to the place where it's a thatched roof is there. So he's go very quickly to that place and there he ate all the bananas at peace without being seen. Okay, it's going immediately and keeping all the bananas through the trunk immediately and then it is eating. Okay, one day at last the other caught him stealing. One day the other caught him. Okay, the other saw it. Then the other gave left and right. See children, the other went to him and pulled him by the ear and joyously showed to his parents that it was Curry who was stealing the bananas. And also he showed this to mother and father also, and he told that, okay, that bananas were not eaten by the servants or it was not eaten by me also. These bananas were totally eaten by this Curry. Okay, who was naughty Curry. When he was scolded, he understood like a baby. Okay, then they started scolding. This boy started scolding our Curry. But Curry understood like a baby. Okay, he stood very quietly because he did mistake. No, that's why Curry stood like this and he understood like a baby and did not steal again. From the next day onwards, it is not stealing anything. It's not taking anything. Okay, Curry was not stealing anything. Curry was not taking anything from anyone. After that, if anybody gave Curry any fruit, he would squeal. He always squealed as if to thank them. Okay, if next day onwards, if anyone comes and gives any banana to him, okay, he would say thank you. Okay, he would shout, he would shout with a shout and then he would say thank you to them. That means with that shouting only. That means squealing only. Understood children? So the other went to him and pulled him by the ear and joyously showed to his parents that it was Curry. Curry is only taking every time these bananas. Curry is eating that bananas. Curry is coming through the window. Just through the trunk he is taking all the bananas and he is eating everything. So when he was scolded, Curry didn't open mouth. Curry just kept quietly. He was like a baby and did not steal anything. So after that, if anybody gave curry any fruit means, he would say thanks to them. See, again, like babies, curry was a quick learner, do you know? Okay, baby, how babies are learning? In the same way, our curry also learns very much, very quickly. So the author decided him to teach Dart and Mali. Do you know these children? Dart and Mali are very, very important commands to elephants. Okay, that elephant trainers always give these two commands. They always teach these two commands to elephants. What are the two commands, children? Dart. And their command is Mali. Then let us see what is Dart, what is Mali. The other wanted that whenever curry was pulled by ear and he said Dart, he should learn to sit down. Okay, if curry pull the elephant's ear and if he says Dart, then curry should sit down. Curry should sit down, because that means, what is the meaning? If author says Dart, if author pulls the ear of the elephant and says Dart, then curry should learn to sit down. Curry should sit down. That elephant should sit down. That is the command to elephant. Okay, all elephants learn these commands, children. If the elephants trainers are there means, they'll give commands like this only. So the first command is Dart. Dart means they should learn to sit down. They should sit. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will learn that it's a signal to walk. Okay, and if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, if you pull trunk of the elephant forward and if you say Mali, he will learn that's a signal to walk. Then immediately the elephant would learn to walk. Immediately elephant stand up and starts to walk. Okay, that means sit down. Mali means walk. This is the command to curry. So curry learned Mali after 3 lessons, because to walk only now it is easy. That's why our curry learned Mali only after 3 lessons. After 3 lessons curry learned. Okay, Mali means if the trunk forward, and Mali means it's learning to walk. It's standing and walking. But it took him 3 weeks to learn that. Because he should learn to sit down. See, because they are heavier, no, that's why in order to sit down, it's a difficult task for the elephants. That's why curry learned it took 3 weeks time to learn that. Okay, children, that command, in order to learn that command, it took 3 weeks time. But in order to learn Mali command, it just take 3 lessons only. Just after 3 lessons, curry learned that Mali. So that was the command to sit and Mali was the command to walk. Okay, I told you clearly, that was the command to sit. It was a difficult command. Mali was the command to walk. It's easy only. So these commands were taught to him just as one teaches a child. Okay, how your teacher is teaching you. In the same way, how your mother is teaching you, how your father is teaching you. In the same way, these Dart and Mali commands were taught to this elephant like a child. Okay, children? Okay, now the final task. Okay, the most difficult thing for an elephant. What is that? Do you know? The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. Do you know that? Easy. Mali, easy, very easy. But master call is very, very important thing. Okay, it's a most difficult thing for an elephant. But the elephant should learn it. Okay, it is a difficult command for the elephant, but the most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. The master call, it is the final and it's the most difficult thing for an elephant. So elephant generally takes 5 years to learn it. Do you know this, children? Elephant takes maximum 5 years to learn this command. What is the command? Master call. Master call, it's the command. Okay, it teaches to this command is given to the elephants. It's a master call. This elephant takes 5 years to learn that command. Do you know? It is the most important signal for him. That means it is very, very important signal for an elephant to learn, because it helps to save his master's life. Okay, if the master of the elephant is in danger, the elephant should save him. So this is a very, very important command and also difficult command for an elephant. What is this command, children? Master call. What is this command? Master call. What is this command, children? Master call. So the most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. It's the final command, and the elephant generally takes 5 years to learn this command. It is the most important signal for him to learn, because it helps him to save his master's life. Okay, in order to save his master, so this is very important command. Do you know, children, what is it? If you are lost in the jungle, suppose the master is lost in the jungle, if he forgot his route, okay, if he forgets how to go, so if there is no way out, and also he forgot how to go, also he don't know, he doesn't know how to go out, so if there is no way to go home, so the only thing to do is to give a master call. Then he gives a master call, and at once the trained elephant understands. Then the trained elephant understands that. So if the master gives a command, okay, then the trained elephant understands the command, and it will pull down the trees in front of him with his trunk. He started pulling all the trees. In the picture I showed you clearly how it is pulling the trees. Okay, immediately all the trees were pulled by our elephant. Okay, then elephant immediately starts pulling all the trees. Okay, children, because the master gives master call. That means master forgot his route, or master lost his route. He lost his route in the jungle. That's why immediately, in order to save his master, our elephant starts pulling all the trees. He clears all the trees. Okay, he pulls all the trees in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. Every animal frightened. All the animals get frightened. Even the tiger is also frightened, children. If the elephant starts doing all this, all the animals, even the tiger is also frightened. The elephant goes on pulling down trees one after another. The elephant starts pulling down all the trees one after another. Then the path is made out of the forest. There will be a path in the forest, so the master can go home happily. Do you know this, children? This is the master command. So the elephant learns that command, Mali command, and then finally master call. Okay, these three commands are very important to the elephant. So our curry also learned all this, because our author teaches all those to the curry. Okay, what is the first Mali command? Mali command is very easy, children. Okay, if the Mali command is given to the elephant, that means it started walking. Okay, it learns to walk. That means it learns to sit. But master call means our master, that master of the elephant, forgets his route, or he just lost his route. Then immediately all the trees were pulled by the elephant, and then he path is made on the forest. That means a route will be given in the forest, so that master will go very happily to home. So this is our lesson, children. So how the curry was brought up by our author, how curry learned everything, we saw everything in this lesson, children. I hope you understood curry lesson. So please go through this lesson, children. Read each and every line from the textbook, and please complete that question and answers in the lesson. Okay, children. Thank you all.